Dugard have had a huge growth in sales, so they're investing in new team members. Welcome, Mark. This is exciting.
Thanks, Lindsay. Really excited to be here.
So what areas are you going to be covering then?
So I'm going to be covering Eastern Anglia, home counties, up as far as Milton Keynes and as far over as Oxford.
Nice, busy area, but you've been in the industry a while now, haven't you? So what have you been up to so far?
So 22 years I've been in the industry. I've been in apprenticeship served with IPCO. Then I've also been lucky enough to serve with two great tooling companies, one with Iscar and the other one with Exactaform.
And are you excited about the brands that you're going to be talking about on a daily basis?
Yes, of course I am, because they are world-class brands in themselves.
They absolutely are. So not only is it yourself that's joining the team, but to add to the ever-growing business, there's Mark Drummond also joining Dugard, covering South London, Berkshire, Kent and Sussex. But it's not just the new Marks that are joining. They also have appointed a new applications engineer, John Bull, and a new service engineer covering the UK. Some fantastic brands that you're going to be talking about. But over here, I see that there's a turntable. Why am I mentioning that, Mark?
Well, maybe because I'm a little bit of a DJ down in my hometown.
Okay. Oh, nice. So where have you been DJing? Ibiza and places like that?
I've been to Ibiza, but not actually DJing Ibiza.
Okay. So,
yet.
Yet. So where the party is at is exactly where Mark is. So good luck in your new role, Mark.
Thank you very much.